Welcome to Theater at Southeastern.
Nestled on the campus of Southeastern Oklahoma State University in Durant, Oklahoma, Theater at Southeastern is just north of the Red River.
Yep, just an hour and 10 minutes north of Plano on Central Expressway. Theater at Southeastern has been named as a program of excellence by the Oklahoma Board of Regents, and rightfully so.
Theater at Southeastern participates in the Kennedy Center American College Theater Festival, is an affiliate with the Stella Adler Academy of Los Angeles, and hosts the Oklahoma Shakespearean Festival each summer where the students work with professionals from around the country.
Theater at Southeastern is an educational program designed to put you in the spotlight in preparation for your future.
How do we do it?
Well, we're glad you asked. Southeastern believes in learning by doing.
As a theater major, you'll take part immediately in our season, with opportunities available in acting, directing, design, set construction, publicity, and promotion.
Now, don't get the wrong idea. We don't expect you to come to us ready to run things. If you're that good, you don't need us.
What we do expect is a willingness to learn and a desire to do. We'll take your special abilities and help you fully develop them with 4 different theater degree options.
First, acting and directing majors receive intense training in various methods and styles that give a complete understanding of what happens on stage.
Technical theater/design majors learn not only how to hang the curtain, but also how to create it and everything that goes behind it.
Musical theater majors follow a rigorous program in music principles, voice, dance, and acting. It's designed to help students put their best foot forward on the stage.
Theater management and promotion majors work with graphic design, promotion, front of house, publicity, and audience and financial development as they develop the skills necessary to fill the seats.
Additionally, students can receive their master's degree in theater education, where they learn a bit of everything and how to teach every little thing they learn.
Or mix and match a program where you work with the director of theater to create a custom tailored degree program to fit your individual dreams.
Some of our graduates have gone on to be very successful in the professional theater, working with Joseph Papp at New York's Public Theater or Jules Fisher, one of Broadway's foremost lighting designers.
The New York Shakespeare Festival, the Hillberry, the Berkshire Shakespeare Festival, Walt Disney World/MGM Studios theme park, New Orleans Contemporary Art Center, the Louisiana Shakespeare Festival, or Hershey Park.
Also, graduate schools are often waiting with attractive graduate assistantships for our students.
Such schools include Tulane, NYU, Ohio State University, SMU, Purdue or Cal State Burlington, University of Delaware, or the University of Exeter in England, just to name a few.
Graduates can often go on to work in film or television, working in such national commercials as Texaco and Coca-Cola.
Or such major films like Duets, The Time Machine, Life or Something Like It, and Pirates of the Caribbean.
We believe in dreams at Southeastern, and we can help you make your dreams of a career in theater come true.
All you have to do is come prepared to work as hard as we do.